pe agendo twala emotoka kawunga sana kolwalero chakole ekyo kyekibayita okyakolinga okubeera nti no yeetoloze box yonna.
During the final shuffle, pick the grand winner.
Of course, I know it's not going to look there when speaking. So,
Sadiq, get ready with your lines. We call this person, and Mr. Usman, the bilingual person, he can speak to this person in any language.
Ani muwanguzi musajja mukyala yakolera ku branch ki tetuyinza okutegeera olwaleero emmotoka tugenda gimuwa n'ebiwandiiko byonna ebigenderako wali okay. Who is the lucky one? A brand new electric vehicle. That's how lucky it is. They pick, they put back, but eventually they have to pick the winner. Okay.
Mr. Tim, are you watching?
Are we ready for the winner? Okay.
The winner is Cheyune from Nyamirembe. Congratulations, Cheyune. You have one name, but you can't believe this. Look at the 772, 40, 72, 46. Now mark this one. The number is 0772, 40, 72, 86. 86. Possible. D106 Street. Kusita tires ekintu kyebatalinga okimanyi emipiira egyo wagulako ku mipiira watigula wa mukulu Cheyune Mandela yagirina. So nina essanyu okugamba nti no mu maaso gange nina bannamawulire nina buli omu yenna ali mu maaso gange. So owangudde emmotoka ey'amasannyalaze gye bayita electric vehicle. Mr. Cheyune, you are the winner of the electrical vehicle in the first draw. We are going to congratulate you and we are going to give you more information. You are no 6 weeks, you are not